Okay, guys, so I filled it in a lot more. If I could turn it. Look at this. Now I don't want to turn. So the thicker you guys want it, just make it thicker. So if you want it real full, make it a lot more thicker. And then when I got back here, I added another piece here to cover up like the one piece when y'all synced it earlier. So this is how it looks now. So the ability that you have that you can wear it one hand, guys, sorry. You can wear it like this with no bang. That's why I didn't attach the bang. Or like I said, guys, if you want it, then remember you're gonna wear a bobby pin. And remember, guys, if you want the bang, and I'm using one hand, you'll put this on, but you put the bang underneath. So if you want to wear it with the bang, then this goes on first. Remember in the other video? But I got it pinned on here. So remember, this will go on first if you want to wear it underneath this, and then this go on. So then remember, you get the rhinestone ribbon and gold, silver, whatever. It'll match that dress right there. So the fuller you want it, guys, just make it thicker. So I made it a lot thicker than what y'all saw it before. So make it fuller. So that's what y'all got to do. Make it fuller. And this is the one without the bang. And I do the detachable bang, but the bang go underneath. So there you go. I hope that you guys see. So if you want it thicker, then just make it fuller, guys. Thank you guys so much. Toodles.